This is a report in Power BI Desktop. As you can see, there are several pages. And once we feel that we are ready with this final report, and if we want to share with users and stakeholders, all we have to do is we have to publish this into online Power BI service. As you can see on the top ribbon, you have a publish button. And if you click on it, it will prompt you to save this file. And also you can save it in any of those workspaces, right? By default, there is a my workspace. So let us skip that and directly go to app.powerbi.com, and using our credentials we can log into the account. As you can see, this is a trial account. Again, the website is app.powerbi.com. That is a Power BI service. It's a web environment so that you can share your work with the users and collaborate and do much more there. So as you can see in on the left navigation pane, we have landed on the home icon, and these are the various things you can click and open them. And the bottom you can see the workspaces, and if you click on the second icon, create, as you can see, we can build a report and we can add data in Power BI service as well, like just like what we do in Power BI desktop. And let us try to click on browse, and if you have any workspaces, they are shown here. And similarly, one lake catalog, if you're working on it, they'll be populated here. And let us try to click on apps are nothing but a collaboration of dashboards and reports. And you can also click on the icon metrics, and you can create a new scorecard. And as you work in Power BI service, you will be using most of these features, so you can look at sample scorecard, so that way you get an idea in case if you're trying to create new scorecard as such, right? So basically we are just skimming through all these features. And another thing is you can monitor your workspaces. And let us click on learn. This is pretty interesting. In case if you've just started working in Power BI, you can use these resources, and you can learn much more advanced topics, right? And the second thing is if you want to dig into documentation, you can do that by clicking that, and you have so many resources there. And the third and final is in case if you want, you can use the Power BI forum, where you can post questions and members might answer to your questions, right? And let us try to open a sample report, so that these sample reports are provided to us, so that we'll get an idea, right? In case if you're trying to create a report, these are very helpful. As you can see, there are 2 pages. You can fix any errors in case you have, and these are 2 pages. So this is pretty cool. And let us try to make sure that we will click the second another icon, real time. And in case if you're working with real time hub, those will be populated there. And this is workloads. And like I said, as you continue working in Power BI service, we will be able to use most of the features. And we are interested in creating a new work space, right? So let us try to go back and remove this report, the sample report, and also the semantic model. Let us delete it. Let us try to go back to workspaces. By default, my workspace is a default workspace which has been created for you. And if you see, you can do much more in that workspace. So for now, we'll just keep it simple. Let us try to go back to workplaces and create a new workspace. And workspace, we'll name it as LinkNet YouTube. And in case if you want, you can add any description which is appropriate for this workspace, and click on apply. And this workspace has been created. This is the new workspace. So pretty cool, right? So what we could do is we can just make sure that those are the 2 workspaces there. And let us try to go back to Power BI desktop. And now let us try to click on publish and select this new workspace we have just created. Select it. And so that you have a progress report kind of thing which is there here, which will tell you what is happening behind the scenes. It's been published to Power BI. So this is pretty cool. And we can just go back to Power BI service again. And let me drag that window here. And you have your report here, and you have your semantic model. So as shown here, you can make all those setting changes based on your needs. And also for the semantic model, both the report and semantic model, you can make those adjustments. And if you click on this report, We'll make sure that all the pages have been published. As a sanity check, looks like all the pages have been published into Power BI service. It's pretty cool, right? And similarly, like you do in Power BI desktop, you can always interact with visuals, and you can share this with among users. You can just play around the menu, and you have those options there. You can share, you can explore, you can subscribe. All those things are there, right? As you keep working in Power BI service, you will be able to use most of the features, like I said earlier. So let us try to go back and make sure that you have your workspace with that particular report. So again, let us try to briefly go back and see. We can add reports here too. So we can create that as if possible at a future date. I'll try to make more videos on Power BI service and use most of the functionality. And these are the this is the report, and you have another option of exploring. So this way, in addition to the pages which you have made, you get some ideas here. So you can you have a matrix and visual in the bottom, as you can see on the canvas. Let us try to drag any field from our data. Let us try to drag the country. Let us try to use any metric, maybe total profit. Let us see total profit. So you have a matrix on the top and a visual on the bottom. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty easy to publish. And as you keep working in Power BI service, you'll be able to use most of the features. That way you can share the reports, collaborate with the stakeholders and end users. And this is a simple way. You can just publish this report onto Power BI service, and you have to log in prior to publishing. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.